I am Nijan Roman Khan. Today I am showing a very interesting video for you, how to change your Microsoft Office theme color. I am now showing is very easy way. First open Microsoft Office. This is a Microsoft Office window, first window, and just click open other documents. Just click here. And now you can click here for changing your theme color. Just click account. Look this office theme. Here this is a interesting option. Office theme. Just click here. It has three options for changing your office theme color. Just click on this. Here's light color change. So this dark gray. Just click here. Change your office color. You can easily change your office color. Now I'm showing you this other way on Microsoft Excel. Just click here and click account. Change here for changing your theme. Already change your theme. Theme color changing. Now I'm showing on Microsoft Access how to change your office theme color. Just click here and just click accounts. Change your office theme color. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share my YouTube channel video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel DRPC. Thank you so much.